Hello, I'm John Morrow from Brite Belt International, the Conveyor Belt Cleaning and Sanitizing Company. Our products are for the sanitation department and designed for cleaning and sanitizing flat conveyor belts. We have two types of scrubbers. The first is our standard scrubber. It has a 22-inch footprint on the conveyor belt surface and comes in 6 inches wide, 8 inches wide, 12 inches wide, and 16 inches wide cleaner scrubbers, and this is a 16-inch wide scrubber. The new brick scrubber that we call it is the one I'm going to present to you at Tech Talk. This has a 6-inch footprint on the belt surface, but it has two additional features. There is a brush on the leading and trailing edge, so you can have two brushes on this, or you have no brushes, one brush, two brush, no brushes. Um, They're used to penetrate a little bit more into the conveyor belt surfaces or crevices or into link belts and add a little bit more cleaning power to the removing the biofilm. The second feature is that we can build these from 4 inches wide to 96 inches wide or 8 feet. So we can build these to the width of a conveyor belt. The scrubber pad is a polyfiber material and is aggressive, not abrasive. It doesn't have any aluminum or pumice in it, so it won't abrade the conveyor belt surface, and it will collect the biofilm from the conveyor belt onto the pad. There are orifices um, on the leading edge, and they are little holes that are drilled in there to let the cleaning solution out onto the pad and onto the belt. There are four parameters of cleaning. There is time, action, concentration, and temperature. The time is the window of opportunity to clean, which is sometimes limited, but with a non-abrasive pad, you can leave the scrubber onto the conveyor for as many revolutions as necessary to remove the biofilm. Cleaning has some factors to it. One is the type of surface you're trying to clean. Polyethylene, plastic, neoprene, modular link, stainless steel, stainless wire, roller belts. There's many kinds of belts in the food processing industries. Um, another factor is the soil type. What kind of biofilm are you trying to remove? Biofilms that are organic could be fats that build up, or oils or grease. It could be starches or proteins, sugars, or other kinds of biofilm that are organic. Sanitizing is killing the pathogens that live on the conveyor belt surface. Sometimes we could call it disinfecting. Pathogens would consist of things like molds and fungus, bacteria, salmonella, listeria, common viruses, or other living organisms that are in the biofilm or on the conveyor belt surface. Action, we have time, we have action. Um, the factor of cleaning and action could be the individual itself, the individual that's doing the cleaning. With the Brite Belt scrubbers, the mechanical action is realized by the conveyor belt surface that's running underneath the scrubber, which is stabilized on top of the conveyor belt, either bungees, this has a rod that goes across, or somehow stabilizing it. So that's the mechanical action of scrubbing. In the past, we've had hand pads that we simply uh, scrub the conveyor belt surface. Um, this is a 5x6 pad. These you can buy at Brite Belt. They're same pads we use. They're aggressive, non-abrasive, and they're about 25 cents. The next one is a parameter of concentration. The strength of the cleaning solution can be controlled inside the scrubber. Um, for cleaning easy biofilms on the belt, you might need a fairly weak solution. For hard to clean surfaces, the solution might be very strong. The scrubbers continually apply the cleaning solution onto the conveyor belt surface. The scrubbers are made of polyethylene, so they're you can put 12% acid quad in there. You can put on a caustic soap inside of these, and it won't hurt the Brite Belt scrubbers. The next parameter is temperature. One of the factors of cleaning is water, so it'd be hot water or cold water, but the scrubbers can be used with any temperature of cleaning solution. When cleaning, the temperature of the chemical solution or cleaning solution is a very key factor. If you raise the solution temperature about every 20 degrees, you double the chemical cleaning strength. So the temperature of the solution is very important. So the parameters of cleaning are covered in the Brite Belt products, the scrubbers. We have time. You can run them as many revolutions as possible. Action, the mechanical action of the conveyor on the pad and the brushes, cleaning off the biofilm. We have concentration. You can use the concentration of cleaning solution as strong or as weak as possible to get the biofilm off. And temperature, you can raise the temperature. You can put boiling water inside of here and it'll increase the cleaning solution strength. So there's many types of industries that you're going to find a conveyor belt cleaning, the Brite Belt conveyor belt cleaning system, and that would be in the baking, dairy, fruits and vegetables, the meat and poultry, fish, eggs, canning, packaging, bottling. Pretty much the standard food processing facilities. So the last thing in Tech Talk is how would you know? How do you know if the Brite Belt conveyor belt cleaners actually work in your facility? Its testing is critical. Put the Brite Belt scrubbers to the test. You test the belt, you clean the belt, you test the belt, and get your results. Brite Belt has a demonstration program for your facility to evaluate our scrubbers. You can contact us at sales@britebelt.com. That's SALES at britebelt.com. Thank you very much for listening to my Tech Talk today. I appreciate it.